Okay, class, take a seat. We're gonna be starting with our lesson. So, bro, this room is so cold. I know, right? Why is the temperature so low? Bro, I'm just gonna wear my hoodie. I'm not dealing with this. Wait a minute, what if she yells at you? Bro, it's a hoodie. What's the worst that could happen? So can anybody— Simon! Why? Why? Take that hoodie off right now! Why? It's so cold in here! I don't care about that! You can't wear hoodies in my classroom! And you can't have the temperature down to below 0! Simon, it's not even that cold. Besides, the freezing cold temperature is supposed to keep you awake, like— Do you not see how you just contradicted yourself? Simon, if you don't stop complaining about the temperature, I'm gonna send you to the principal! I'm not gonna stop complaining about the temperature until you— What? I don't know. Normally it cuts to the principal's office whenever I'm yelling mid-sentence. That's because I'm already here. Oh, wow. What seems to be the problem? Simon is wearing a hoodie in my class, principal! Okay, let me just check the thermostat. Principal, I see nothing wrong with mine. -12 degrees? Are you crazy? Oh, please. You're overreacting. You're teaching class in an igloo. You're fired. What is fire?